Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a coleslaw burger using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 head of green cabbage, 1 large carrot, and a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of sugar for the dressing. For the burgers, prepare your favorite ground beef patties, seasoned well. This simple approach ensures a delicious and quick meal for everyone to enjoy. Now let's get to making that delicious coleslaw. In a large bowl, combine your finely shredded cabbage and grated carrot. In a separate small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Pour this creamy dressing over your vegetables and toss gently until everything is thoroughly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor and a delightful crunch. While your coleslaw chills, it's time to cook those juicy burger patties. Season your ground beef patties generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. Heat your grill or a skillet to medium-high heat. Cook the patties for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on your desired doneness. For food safety, ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. A perfectly cooked burger is the foundation of this amazing meal. Finally, let's assemble our incredible coleslaw burgers. Lightly toast your burger buns to give them a nice texture and prevent them from getting soggy. Place a perfectly cooked burger patty on the bottom half of each toasted bun. Now, for the star of the show, add a generous spoonful of your creamy, crunchy coleslaw right on top of the burger. Finish with the top bun, and your easy, delicious coleslaw burger is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.